Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. You know what I love about Thailand is that they have a lot of merchandise that you can buy and you can purchase and bring it home to your loved ones, to your family. They can look at it and they can say, wow, wow, this is from Thailand. Oh, thank you so much, or whatever, right? And then a week later, it's going to end up at Goodwill. But the thought that counts, right? The purpose of going to Thailand is to enjoy shopping, and I don't know if you would. I would say I would enjoy shopping. Maybe it's that you want to practice your art of bargaining. I think it's pretty amateur if you go to Thailand. You go to the open air market. People that never been to Thailand before is kind of shy to say, can you give me a discount? Most of the places in Thailand, you can ask for a discount as long as it's open air outdoor market. You can't just go to the mall and say, hey, he give me a discount. But discount, it can only work so far, because I have seen some tourists that come around Thailand. They would browse the currency table or whatever. They sell like money or whatever, old money, right? It's for collectors. And for instance, like $100 bill, the old $100 bill, okay, they were selling it for like $120 or something. I don't know, I don't remember. But the guy was like, we take 60. Like, dude, the money itself is already worth 100. Come on, that's why I want to make this content, because I want to teach you guys how to bargain the right way and not get killed by the locals. Yeah, so you go to Thailand, bargaining is normal. Okay, don't be shy to bargain. Don't be shy to ask for a discount, because it's normal. But if you don't, you might be the only one at the whole market that overpay for things. And but don't be crazy cheap on them, and they might just like throw water at you or something. Anyway, yeah, so today I'm gonna go down the list of things to say that you can use when you go shopping at outdoor markets or Saturday market or Sunday market or whatever it is that you're going. Just don't go to the mall and ask for discount. That's it. All right, let's go. You all warmed up from the hotel. You go, okay, I'm gonna go bargain today. You got your bargaining shoes on and you're ready to go. First sentence, how much? เท่าไหร่ เท่าไหร่ mean how much, okay? Or you can say เท่าไหร่ all right? And this is gonna tell you the price. It could be like 1,000 baht or whatever, right? And if it's too expensive, you say, well, it's way too expensive. It's แพงไป แพงไป which means it's too expensive, okay? They might try to show you other things, like, oh, this one is this one is better, but it's less expensive, but it's not as good as this one. And you're like, no, I want this one. This is like, I'm gonna buy this one so I can like give it to Goodwill later. I want this one. I want the most expensive one. แพงไป They tell you 1,000, you want to pay 20. And then next sentence is can you give me a discount? ลดราคาได้ไหม 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 Once you say that, everything just stop. Music stop. People stop talking. Everyone's gonna turn around and look at you. The vendor might just look at you and just stare you in the face and say nothing. No, it ain't gonna happen. I'm just fooling with you. It depends on how much you're asking for a discount. If the product is 1,000 baht and you only want to pay 20, they might just bring out a machete and just like chase you around the market. If you like talk them down a little bit, they might just look at you and they might not say anything. Not because they're declining you, they're just thinking. They're like calculating how much they pay for the merchandise. They might already have a price in mind. They're just gonna stare at you. So then you're just gonna feel guilty. And you're gonna say, if I buy more, can you give me a discount? ถ้าซื้อเยอะลดราคาได้ไหม Which means if you buy more of this, can you give me a discount? It depends on how many you need to buy. Instead of one, you might need to buy like 6 or 12 or 20. I don't know. What are you going to do with it? Another sentence that you're going to use is, can you give me a better price than this? ให้ถูกกว่านี้ได้ไหมให้ถูกกว่านี้ได้ไหม That means can you give me a better price than this because it's way too expensive if they say no which mean they're gonna say ไม่ได้ which mean no ไม่ได้ and they're like all laughing you're like making a fool out of yourself like what are you thinking ไม่ได้ then you say ขอบคุณครับ or ขอบคุณค่ะ thank you and walk away once you start walk away they're gonna like hey come back and they'll go okay I'll give you this much and then the singing and dance begins again and go to the beginning again of like okay so how much right เท่าไหร่ and you say and then you go it's too expensive it's แพงเกินไป alright and you're gonna like sing and dance and go in a circle for like 10 hours over like this like chopstick alright okay next you're walking around and you see okay a shirt you look at it and you go damn I saw Bodo was wearing this shirt and I really want one okay it's like how cool it is right I really want one of that I just saw it at the market how much is that ขายเท่าไหร่ขายเท่าไหร่ which mean how much is that for sale is that right there is for sale how much is that ขายเท่าไหร่ because I want to look just like Bodo I want to have this shirt too ขายเท่าไหร่ okay and they're gonna tell you the price and you go can you this give me a discount once again ลดราคาได้ไหมลดราคาได้ไหม and they're gonna give you and they might give you a little discount like from 1,000 baht they go to like maybe like 999 baht and then you say can you lower the price more is ลดอีกหน่อยได้ไหมลดอีกหน่อยได้ไหม which means can you lower it down just a little bit tiny bit more they might tell you okay so it's 200 baht off from 1,000 baht to 800 baht and you look in your pocket and you look in your cash and you're like I don't want it that bad so I say I'll think about it คิดก่อน I'll think about it คิดก่อน which means they know you're gonna walk away if you say คิดก่อน right they might start to lower the price for you okay you say คิดก่อน if lower the price and you're like no I changed my mind I have like like buyer remorse you go ไม่เอา which mean no I'm no longer interested in it I don't want it anymore so ไม่เอาครับไม่เอาค่ะไม่เอา once you say ไม่เอา and you start walking away they're gonna start chasing you down they're not gonna like run after you they might just say hey mister okay I'll give you a little more discount or they're just like it depends on who they are and what kind of product they sell don't get upset that they're not going to give you any more discount because maybe it's not much room to make money anyway I mean really if you really think about it how much discount are you actually looking you're going to get just like from 1,000 you might talk them down to like I don't know like 800 and that's like 200 baht how much is 200 baht really I don't know $8 $7 $5 I don't know how much it goes for $1 is like 30 baht right so I don't know I might be Asian but I ain't good at math you do the math I'm just telling you how to say it all the sentence tips and tricks time you go to the market what to buy and what not to buy okay do not buy weapons do not buy explosive stuff do not buy any narcotics all right and do not buy big huge like Buddha statues or whatever if they have a way to ship it to you great but most of the time it's illegal to export those kind of statues out of the country if you want to buy like a 6-foot tall Buddha statue or some sort of like something ridiculous you pay tons and tons of money on it it's gonna get confiscated at the airport electronic stuff I wouldn't recommend you buying it because it's kind of junky anyway it's gonna end up in the trash because it's all like crappy made just like knockoffs those movies DVD stuff don't buy them they are dumb Okay, you'll be watching it, and the screen is gonna get all like jiggly and stuff. You might see like people walking by. It's like they're like illegally filming or something. Okay, and most of the time it doesn't even work anyway. So don't buy those. This is a waste of money. All right, waste of money. It's stupid things. Okay, take your money and go out and get some real food. Things to buy though is like fruit. Street food is great. Another thing I would do if I were you when I go to Thailand, I don't know how you guys how you guys pack to go to Thailand. I wouldn't pack so much stuff, especially guys or women. You know, you can do the same. I would just go there and just buy t-shirts, and once you're done, just toss it or give it to the maid at the hotel or whatever. They love that stuff. So don't like packing like thousands of suitcases with you. That's stupid. So when you go there, it's too hot to wear those stuff anyway. You're gonna end up buying a t-shirt or buying whatever you want to wear. I'm gonna keep this one short. I gave you tons and tons of like different sentences you can use all the time. Go back, rewatch it and practice it. You get good at it and you be a professional bargainer. Don't bargain too much because they can chase you down with a machete. And don't come down in the comments and say, Bodo, you told me to. No, I didn't tell you nothing. I'm not even here. Okay, my name is Bodo, and if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.